Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video is pretty interesting. We are going to turn on sensitive content on Telegram. So basically I've seen a lot of people, searching this, that how to turn on the sensitive content on Telegram. And basically if you go to Telegram setting, there is no option for sensitive content. If I go to settings and after that I click on privacy and security, you would see there is no such setting, but on the internet it's mentioned that there is some setting, something like this. So basically I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is you need to click on the search icon inside and search for Nicegram. Remember Nicegram, and after that wait a bit, you get these options. You gotta click on the one it says bot. So Nicegram bot, click on it, and after that what you're gonna do is you gotta click on start, and once you click on start you would see that you got here. Now after this what you're gonna do is you gotta switch to the web version of Telegram. Basically why, I'll tell you, because you gotta sign in into the Nicegram bot. This is what people are doing wrong. Basically they do this, they click on the Nicegram link but they aren't able to log in. So for that what you're gonna do is you gotta sign in into the web version of Telegram. For that you can simply just log in the web version into your phone too, or just head towards your PC. So I'm gonna head toward my PC and show you how to do that. So okay, after you log in into your PC version of Telegram, what you're gonna do is go and click on the Nicebot chat that is just created, right? After what you're gonna do is go and sign in on the Nicegram website. So basically click on it, it'll ask you to like this prompt will open up and it'll ask you that, do you want to open this link? You gotta click on open, and then a bit of a loading and it's done. Now the first thing that's gonna happen is it's gonna ask you to log in your Telegram. Basically we gotta make some changes to the settings, so that's why it's gonna ask us to log in with our Telegram. So basically click on login with Telegram and wait for the button to get live. Maybe it's not live, you just gotta wait and refresh it. Sometimes the button goes dead, so you gotta wait for it, and once it's reloaded, and after that you gotta click on login with Telegram. Okay, now when you're on this website, what you're going to do is click on login with Telegram, and after a bit of loading, it's going to ask you for your number. So you got to enter your number, and after that log in into Telegram here. After entering your number, press enter, and it's going to ask for a verification, and you're going to receive that text on your phone. And after, what you're going to do is confirm it on your phone, and basically you'd be logged in on this screen, basically to the Nicegram. And after that what you're going to do is you're going to accept it, that this is your profile picture and everything the website will receive. So once that's done, now it's going to log you into the Nicegram. So as you can see here, I'm 18+-year-old and show content that may be sensitive. It's here showing up here. What you're going to do is click save, and after that what's going to happen is basically now you will have access to the sensitive content. Okay, so now to make sure that you have that access, what you're going to do is you're going to close the app. You're going to kill the app, basically quit and then reopen it. Okay, so after you have closed your Telegram, now if we go back and turn it on, basically type in Telegram and press enter, you see your Telegram will open up. Now you will have access to sensitive contents on your Telegram. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful and it helped you. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I upload such videos on a daily basis. Make sure to turn on the bell icon, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.